Habitual liars eventually start believing their own lies. Hindi lang to opinion, even psychologist says this happens. Kapag paulit-ulit ka nagsisinungaling, darating yung punto sa buhay mo na pati ikaw maniniwala na sa sarili mong kasinungalingan. Think about that. At first, the lie is intentional. Alam mong hindi totoo. You lie to escape consequences, you lie to protect your image, you lie para hindi ka mapahiya, or para magmukhang tama. But when lies become a habit, something dangerous happens. Your mind starts rewriting reality. Kapag paulit-ulit mong kinukwento ang isang kasinungalingan, your brain slowly treats it like memory, not truth. Memory. And the more you repeat it, the more it feels real. Hanggang sa dumating ang point na kahit ikaw, hindi mo na alam kung alin ang totoo at alin ang invento mo lang. That's how powerful self-deception is. Because lies don't just fool other people. They eventually fool the liar. Kaya mapapansin mo, may mga tao na kahit malinaw na ang ebidensya, kahit obvious na ang katotohanan, they will still defend the lie. Hindi na dahil gusto nilang magsinungaling, kundi dahil naniniwala na sila dito, and that's scary. Because when someone loses their relationships with truth, they lose their relationship with reality. Kaya hanggat maaga, iwasan natin gawing habit ang pagsisinungaling. Not just because it hurts people, but because one day, the person it will deceive the most is you.